Today I'm going to show you how to make this animation using Canva. Go to Canva and click video. Let's choose video landscape and go to elements. Scroll down to shapes. Let's choose the square and resize it like this. Go to color and go to gradient. Choose any style and go to colors again. Let's choose yellow and green. Let's change the position of these colors. Choose this style and go to uploads. And after uploading your image, let's just click on the image, remove the background. Let's increase a little bit the size and place it exactly in the middle. Go to edit, due tone, custom, and change the color to white color. And download this page as PNG. Let's increase a little bit the size. Download. Just select all these elements and delete. Let's upload the image that we just make. Go to elements and let's type lemon. Videos, let's use this one. Let's crop it a little bit. And let's use the image that we just upload. Remove the background. Go to edit, shadows, glow. Let's decrease the blur amount and decrease a little bit the size and increase the size to cover all the page. Let's place it like this and let's click on the image again. Remove the background, go to edit, shadows, glow, increase the size to fit exactly the first image, and animate with ink. Let's decrease the duration. And here is the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.